My friend has just texted me and said this is a miserable sight. This is exactly what developers are doing. Just knocking down buildings that can be renovated properly and renewed completely. I'm not for what they are doing to these buildings. In fact, these buildings are quite cool. These ones here. State.
Hi guys. Hello. Fucking love it. No, I really enjoyed it.
That's a mess. Yeah, this is what is left of Oakham. They weren't good anyway. I'm glad payday loans got made illegal. I totally agree with that. But look at the state of the building. I mean, come on, they could have leased this to someone else. But they've still got the fire extinguishers. I mean, come on. That was a gaming place, the Geek Retreat. That was cool. Yeah, the people that ran these looked after the buildings. I'm not sure about the recruitment people, but I'm assuming they were totally fine. I don't know what happens with the incomes of the businesses, but not good. Sod off, bulldozers. And here's the rest of Hertford Street, which is okay. I mean, what's going to happen to the rest? Bloody state. Look at the sod off, bulldozers.